today we are going to discuss about exact differential equation. The first order first degree differential equation of the form mdx plus ndy equal to 0, okay, is said to be exact if the differential equation is obtained by just differentiation of a function. That means it may be obtained derivative of f of x comma y, okay, then it is called exact differential equation. For example, you observe, so x dy plus y dx equal to 0, so mdx plus ndy form, but this is a function, this is a differential equation, it is obtained by derivative of xy, it is obtained by derivative of xy, so that this differential equation is called exact differential equation. Similarly, you observe x dy minus y dx whole by y square equal to x square equal to 0. Okay, just you observe, this is the formula for derivative of y by x equal to 0. Okay, so derivative of differentiation of y by x, so x dy minus y dx by x square. So this is a differential equation. This differential equation is obtained by derivative of y by x, so that this differential equation is called exact differential equation. This is exact differential equation. So whenever a differential equation is said to be exact differential equation, it may be obtained by just differentiation of a function. Just differentiation of a function, then only exact differential. We are saying exact differential equation. Okay. So here we are observing this is a simple formula. This is also a simple formula. So that we conclude it is an exact. It is an exact. So that, but the function may be a complicated function. Then we need to find directly. Then we use a necessary and sufficient condition. This is not a definition. This is not a definition. This is the condition for finding exactness. Okay, necessary and sufficient condition for exactness. So when you calculate dou m by dou y and dou n by dou x. Okay, so observe, this is the coefficient of dx. So take a partial derivative, first partial derivative with respect to y, and this is n coefficient of dy. Take partial derivative with respect to x. Okay, after calculation of dou m by dou y and dou n by dou x, suppose these two are equal. Okay, if dou m by dou y is equal to dou n by dou x, then we conclude the differential equation m dx plus n dy equal to 0 is exact differential equation. So that this condition is nothing but called necessary and sufficient condition for exactness of a differential equation. Okay, so by verifying this condition, we conclude the differential equation is exact. Suppose it is not equal, then it is a non-exact differential equation. Okay, suppose the differential equation is an exact differential equation. Okay, so m dx plus n dy equal to 0, and it is an exact by verifying dou y by dou y equal to dou n by dou x, then equation 1 is an exact differential equation by equation 2. Okay, we conclude. So what is the solution? Okay, so from here take integral of capital M dx. Here you can consider y terms are constant terms. Y terms are constant terms. Okay, plus in the second term take x alone functions, x except x. Okay, you can consider only y alone functions of n. Okay, that means terms of n not containing x, okay, into dy. Okay, so only we can consider y alone function equal to constant c. Okay, so solution for exact differential equation is, okay, the procedure for exact differential equation is, so verify dou m by dou y equal to dou n by dou x. Suppose it is verified, then write integral m dx. Here you can consider y is constant term, and integral terms of n not containing x, only y alone functions here into dy. So here you observe, suppose capital N equal to x square plus y square plus 1. Okay, so terms of n not containing x. So terms of n are here x square y square plus 1. So terms of n not containing x means you can eliminate this x square. So you can take y square plus 1 here. Okay, suppose n equal to x into sine y. Okay, so x into sine y. So we are having only one single term but containing x. Okay, so that you can consider here there is no y alone terms, so here you can take 0. Like that you can conclude yourself y alone functions and take integrations on both sides. We have final solution. For example, take solve x square minus 4xy minus 2y square dx, y square minus 4xy minus 2x square dy. Okay, so this is a capital M dx plus capital N dy equal to 0. Okay, so here capital M equal to x square minus 4xy minus 2y square, and capital N equal to y square minus 4xy minus 2x square. Okay, using the necessary and sufficient condition for exactness, we require capital M by cap dou M by dou y. Okay, so derivative with partial derivative with respect to y, 0 minus 4x minus 4y. Okay, so this is equal to minus 4 into x plus y. Clear? And it is dou n by dou x, 0 minus 4y minus 4x. So minus 4 into y plus x. Again, you observe this is minus 4 into x plus y. This is minus 4 into y plus x. Both are same. Therefore, dou m by dou y equal to dou n by dou x equal to minus 4 into x plus y. Okay. So equation 1 is an exact differential equation. Very clear. Equation 1 is an exact differential equation. We know the solution. Solution for exact differential equation is integral of m dx, where y terms are constant, plus integral of terms of n not containing x. So here y alone function. Okay, into dy equal to constant. Okay, so integral of m value x square minus 4xy minus 2y square of dx plus terms of n not containing x. So you can consider only y terms. So n equal to y square minus 4xy minus 2x square. Second term containing x and the third term also containing x. So you can eliminate these two. Avoid these two. Minus 4xy minus 2x square you can avoid. So only terms of n not containing y alone terms are y square. Okay. So it is y square dy equal to constant c. Clear. So integral of x square is x cube by 3 minus y terms are constant here, so that 4y constant. So x square integration is x square by 2 minus 2y square is constant. 1 integration is x plus y square integration is y cube by 3 equal to c. Okay. So again rewrite x cube by 3 plus y cube by 3. Okay, 2 get cancelled. Minus 2y x square minus 2x y square equal to c, or you take 3 as an LCM, x cube plus y cube minus 6 into 6xy, take xy as common, xy into x plus y equal to c is the required solution for given differential equation. Okay. Take one more example. So 1 plus e power xy by dx plus e power xy into 1 minus xy by dy equal to 0. Okay. This is m dx plus n dy equal to 0. Okay. So m equal to 1 plus e to the power of x by y and n equal to e to the power of x by y into 1 minus x by y. Okay. So here we require dou m by dou y. Okay. So first one is 0 plus e to the power of xy derivative is e to the power of xy and xy derivative with respect to y is x is constant, so that minus x by y square. Okay, this is equal to minus x into e to the power of x by y square. Okay, next n equal to this one uv form, apply uv form. Okay, u and v, dou m by dou x equal to, okay, first you take e to the power of xy and then multiply. So then you take 1 minus x by y, then multiply equal to minus x into e to the power of xy by y square, and also we are having dou m by dou x equal to minus x by y square into e to the power of x by y. Okay, so equation 1, equation 2 and equation 3. So using 2 and 3, okay, dou m by dou y equal to dou n by dou x equal to minus x into e to the power of xy by y square. Okay, therefore this implies equation 1 is exact differential equation. Okay, then solution is integral of m dx, y terms constant, integral of terms of n not containing x, okay, into dy equal to c. Here y alone functions you can consider. Okay, so integral of m dx means m value 1 plus e to the power of x by y into dx plus, okay, terms of n, this is capital N, so not containing x term, e to the power of x by y containing x term into 1. So first term containing x term, second term also with respect to containing x term, and this is also x term. So integral of 0 into dy equal to c. Okay, so integral of 1 x plus integral of e to the power of x is e to the power of x by y by, okay, derivative of x by y with respect to x is 1 by y. Okay, plus maybe you can take it is a 0 or you take it is a constant 0 equal to c. Okay, so again rewrite x plus y into e to the power of x by y equal to c is the required solution. Okay, try yourself. Okay, solve problem 1, problem 2, problem 3.